Wagwan future millionaires, it's Demetress here, and today JMMB and I want to show you how you can crush your summer goals without crushing your wallet. Now, whether you're soaking up some sun in Montego Bay or just chilling in Kingston or maybe exploring the Blue Mountains, these are going to be 7 budgeting tips that will help you enjoy the Jamaican summer without breaking the bank. So again, thanks to JMMB for partnering with me on this video. So let's just jump right into it. Tip number 1 is going to be create a zero-based budget. And you're going to ask the question, what is a zero-based budget? Basically, you're going to give every dollar a job. You're going to list all your income and expenses and ensure that income minus expenses equals 0. Now, this is a powerful way to take control of your finances because every dollar is accounted for. Now, tools like Google Sheets or budgeting apps can help you stay on track. And the key is to regularly review and adjust your budget as needed. Trust me, having a clear plan will give you peace of mind and allow you to enjoy the summer without financial stress. Now on to tip number 2, and that is going to be planning your meals. Now, summer is full of family cookouts and dining out, but those costs add up very fast. So plan your meals ahead of time. Shop at local markets, like you can go there and buy your produce because they're cheaper than supermarkets. Maybe even like meat shops or just certain vendors are go around in your community and see which farmer are willing to give you some of their foods, but just go to your local markets because it tends to be cheaper. Plus, when you buy that fresh, bountiful, local, organic produce from your markets, then you can just go home and become a master chef. And for the people that take their health serious and trying to be on the journey, the fitness journey that I'm on right now, cooking at home means that you can control what goes into your meals. It's healthier and it's somewhat cheaper. Just try to cook in batches on Sunday. You know that Sunday, Monday we always love? Yeah, it's a good way to save some money. Plus, if you have more time on your hands whenever you're batch cooking, maybe just cook for the whole week. This way you don't have to splurge or overspend on the expensive takeout. Now on to tip number 3, and that is staycation over vacation. Now I want some of us to consider exploring local attractions instead of the expensive trips abroad. Yeah, I get it. It looks appealing, but you have to know your pocket and you have to know what type of goals you're going after. If that is a goal for you, then by any means, go out there, spend that money, enjoy life, see what else is out there. But if you really can't afford it, then you should know your island. Visit places like YS Falls, Blue Hole, or a river that's maybe like Alligator Pond. It's an amazing feeling when you can find the hidden gems and you don't have to pay that hefty price tag like going to some far out island in the Caribbean. A staycation can just be as exciting and relaxing as a trip abroad, and you'll save on travel and accommodation costs. Trust me. Plus, you'll get to appreciate the beauty and culture of your own country even more. You can be a big ambassador whenever you do decide to travel. Now on to tip number 4, and this one is going to be budget together, especially if you're married. So when I was studying engineering for my degree, my class had a saying that teamwork makes the dream work. So it's not only for your class, but also in your marriage. Now, if you're married or living together with your partner, it's crucial to be on the same page financially. So sit down together, discuss your financial goals, and create a budget that works for both of you. This ensures transparency, reduces misunderstandings, and strengthens your financial partnership. Plus, it's a great way to make sure you're both committed to sticking to the budget. Now for tip number 5, you don't know it unless you track it. So track your progress. So when you keep an eye on your spending and saving habits, it becomes a key to staying on track. Now you're going to regularly review your budget, note where you might be overspending, and adjust as needed. Again, use the apps, and if you don't have apps, then stick to the notebook like me. Track your progress. Seeing how far you've come can be incredibly motivating and help you to stay disciplined. Now for tip 6, I want you to set goals. Now whether it's saving for a trip, paying off debt, or just building an emergency fund, setting clear financial goals can give you something to work towards. So you're going to break down your goals into manageable steps and set deadlines. Set the deadlines, may I stress this. So having clear goals will not only help you to save money, but also give you a sense of accomplishment. As you reach each milestone, celebrate the wins then. And tip 7, lucky number 7, treat yourself wisely. Budgeting doesn't mean that you can't have fun. Allocate specific amount for guilt-free spending. Enjoy those little splurges without derailing your entire budget. The key is moderation. So set aside a fund within your budget. This way you can treat yourself to something nice without feeling guilty or without burning a hole in your pocket. Remember, it's all about a balance. So there you have it, 7 tips to keep your summer fun and financially smart. Remember, the key to a great summer is balance. Enjoy every moment, but stay mindful of your spending. Now, if you found these tips helpful, then just smash the like button, subscribe for more, and share your own budgeting tips in the comment section below. Until next time, work hard, make money, and happy budgeting. Budgeting this time. Big up on yourself.